Welcome. Let's do a fun experiment, and today's topic is, can we store data without using our storage? Okay, let's understand this with this fun experiment. I have an empty folder on the desktop. Now I will check its size and it is taking 0 bytes of storage space. Now I will create a notepad file and I am going to put some information inside it. After adding data, now let's check the storage space. It is consuming some space and it is 171 bytes for the data. Okay, are we able to store the same data without using storage? Let's see. Now I am creating a folder. After creating it, I will rename the folder, but this time I will give the data in place of the name. That is, I will write the entire data in the folder name. Now let's go back and check the size of the folder, and it's the same, nothing changed. The same size as the size of that notepad file. Now I am creating multiple copies of the same folders. But it is taking that same amount of space. Now I am renaming the folders and it is taking the same amount of space. Now if I delete the notepad file, then yes, surprisingly now we are consuming nothing. Now I change the view of the folders and store some records by renaming the folders, and it's done.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Hope you understood our fun experiment. Instead of storing data in a file, we are storing data in the name of a folder and the amount of storage space consumed is 0. Okay, that's all for this fun experiment. We will do more fun experiments and we'll also learn computer science concepts in the upcoming videos. Thank you.